Okay, so today I'm going to make this sock squishy because there's no stuff in it. I haven't made it. Let's open it so. Okay, so this is what came in the package. We got this sock. It's actually stuff in it. Ew. So we gotta put the stuff in it. Use these instructions. So what we have to do, unscrew the head off of. Okay, so we unscrewed the head. Now we gotta put it in here. Okay, like that. Okay, so we're gonna pull them in. Oh, there are cleats on. When you're that tiny shape like that. Okay, there's one more. Let's see what this one is. I don't know. Maybe seaweed. Okay, we put it in. Now put this in. Just salt, chief, I think. Yeah, the salty. Look at this close up salty. I put a cap on this, now it's... Okay, now do we put this in it? Okay.
Might want scissors.
Is it water? It's sinking. Okay, we wasted all of the water. Okay, now we gotta pour this water in. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay, we did it. Okay, now we gotta push this in slowly. Done. Look at it. Okay, now we're just gonna unattach this. And then put this on. Okay, now we pull this out. Yes. Okay, now this is what it looks like. Okay, see you to another Decky Adventures. Bye bye.